This video is sponsored by MakersFit. Later on this video.
Hey! Keep water bottle in right place. Hey! Keep water bottle in right place.
Introducing MakersFit. All your IoT needs cover at one place. At MakersFit.in, we believe that creativity should not be limited by budget. That's why we offer 3D printing service, innovative DIY project kits, electronics components, and much more at very affordable price. Whether you're an enthusiastic hobbyist or a professional maker, we've got something just for you. Link in description, go check it out.
So basically, this is our device which will keep reminding us to drink water. Now for demonstration purpose, I have added a 10-second bottle reminder to it, which is for placing the bottle at the right place. And as soon as the if bottle is not placed at the right place, the reminder will turn on to keep the bottle at right place.
Hey! Keep water bottle in right place. Hey! Keep water bottle in right place.
There is a 1-minute drink water reminder further you can change.
Heyy, drink water. 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 Heyy, drink water.
सो आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। इस वीडियो की जितनी भी फाइल्स और सर्किट डायग्राम आपको नीचे लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है। You can check out from there. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video and don't forget to check out MakersFit. There are a lot of good products and DIY robotics are available there. For more information, or you can check out their website, link is in the description. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care and thank you.